Thank you, Mr. Powell. Well, you know, Mr. Powell was the presenter for the evening, so we can all go home now, right? Okay, I'm going to introduce Ms. Kelly Tomlin. She's the president and CEO of the Jamaica Public Service Company. She has worked for more than 20 years in the energy industry in both deregulated and vertically integrated markets throughout the United States, in the United Kingdom, and in Latin America. She has experience in the generation and transmission and distribution businesses, as well as renewable development and energy services and sales. She has worked in all areas in the industry, including legal, customer service, regulatory, plant and field operations, and organizational transformation. She brings to JPS extensive industry knowledge, along with strong business strategy and operations experience. Prior to JPS, she served as Vice President of GDF Suez International Power, one of the world's largest energy companies, and President of Pennsylvania Electric Company, a part of First Energy, one of the largest utilities in the US. Ms. Tomlin has an MBA from New York University and a law degree and journalism degree with a major in business public relations from West Virginia University. As the new CEO of JPS, Ms. Tomlin's immediate priorities are to help rebuild the utilities relationship with stakeholders, improve customer service, and overall efficiency of the company's operations. Historically, her trademark is organizational rebuilding, rebranding, and repositioning. Let us welcome Ms. Kelly Tomlin.
Good evening. Thank you, Ms. Buchanan. That's a lot of bio. Mr. Powell and Dr. Abbott, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. That's what I think Jamaicans say, good evening back, right? Yeah. Good evening. My job really tonight is to offer congratulations to Scotiabank for three main reasons, and now there's a fourth. I see you've got a new campaign now. It's called Power Up. I was kind of a little bit disturbed because you'll hear us roll out our new campaign, which is called Power On. So I guess we are truly more alike than we thought we were when we started this little program. But seriously, there's three things I want to highlight that I want to congratulate Scotiabank on. The first of which is really customer service. The true hallmark of customer service is continuing to give customers more and more of what they need and want. And key to that is knowledge. And today, as I understand it, with the launch of the Energy Calculator, you'll be able to know more and do more. And at JPS, that's really what we're on a program to do, to be able to give you your energy information so you can make choices. And as Mr. Powell said, we are alike in that regard because we are committed to customer service, and we believe it starts with giving you all the information you need. At JPS, we have something that I hope you know that's called SmartEnergy, where we not only encourage you to conserve, but that we encourage you to know what you spend. I am now in a program with the education system going into schools to help bring that alive a little bit. To say, when you turn on the light, put some coins in your piggy bank. When you plug in your computer, when you plug in your Game Boy or whatever, I'm old, Game Boy, I'm sorry. I don't have Game Boys anymore. My sons remind me that's DS's or something. But the real point is that we need to make the invisible visible so we can have our customers understand and manage their bill. Mr. Powell also mentioned the fact that, we sometimes get complaints. And the hallmark of customer service is not to always be perfect, but to respond when your imperfections arise. At JPS, we've started our new CARE campaign, and there's a lot that goes into that CARE campaign, but simply a lot of it revolves around connecting with our customers differently, providing access that you haven't had before, responding in a new and energetic way, and helping to educate you about your energy needs and your energy expenses. I think that's what Scotiabank is doing tonight. The second thing I'd like to congratulate Scotiabank on is really underscoring all of this tonight, is the concept that energy is everybody's business. Certainly, JPS has an important role to play, and we take that role with honor and sacredness. But as I look around the room, we all have something to do. I mentioned energy efficiency. I will say I've been in Jamaica for 8 months today, and I've been colder in Jamaica than I've ever been in New York City. And I scream at all my good customers, turn up your thermostat. Let's do something to conserve together. And you'll hear this word a lot from me going forward, this word together, because I think in the realm of energy efficiency and what we're talking about tonight, in the renewable realm, we all have a way to contribute, whatever that may be. You may have heard our new commercial, Don't Leave Me This Way. Anybody heard it? Yes. We're really serious about that, plug it off, turn it on. We try to do the young crowd and the old crowd. I'm the old crowd, don't leave me this way. Then you have a little rap in the middle of it. But we are trying to connect in a way that you can remember. Turn off the lights. I have become a tyrant in my home. I will tell you personally, when I got here, my first month's energy bill, because I was busy, I was moving, I had lived in the Pegasus for 2 months. I wasn't really acutely aware, even though I do it every day, of what energy costs. We got our first bill and I fell on the floor. We cut it in half in 1 month. And now my kids do think I'm a tyrant. If we're sitting in the car, did everybody turn everything off? We'll march back in the house. We don't need the fan, we don't need the air conditioner. It really is a consciousness raising experience. And I really think that's what Scotiabank is helping us to do tonight. The third thing, and the important thing, is I think what we are kicking off tonight is a renewed interest and a continued interest in renewable resources. Renewables will always play an important mix of an energy framework. That's why JPS today is investing $33 million in hydro. That's the reason we're partnering with UTEC.